Kenya no meguthie na mbere na kugumirwo ni ngaragu kumana na wagi wa mbura ya kuigana iria ratanyitwo gatagati-ini ka mweri wa 10 nginyagia mweri-ini wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku. One kuringana na mukana uria rutitwo ni gikundi kia mutharaba mutune goko bururi-ini.
As we are approaching the January-February period, which is normally a dry season in the country, we expect, of course, surface temperatures to increase, and therefore the little rains which were received the other day to maybe exacerbate the situation even further.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa maundu ma hina hi gikundi-ini kiu Venant Digila, kwa ihinda riri kaunti 29 nicio igumirwo ni riua kuria makiria ma andu milioni 4.3 marabatara uteithio wa irio.
Most of the areas the rains are not enough to ensure some substantial recovery for those who are affected. So we expect most of those who are affected, they'll continue to be in this situation. They'll continue to need support in terms of life-saving support around water, food, and also health.
Digina uri oraragia hindi ya kuheana uteithio wa irio kaunti-ini ya Kilifi ni ongerire kuga Kenya ingi na makiria kuma icigo cia rugongo rwa bururi riu marathie thabari ndaya gwetha mai kuna ithima nyingi ni iniarite mwena ucio. Miario ya Digila ni kiritwo mukonde ni minister wa maundu ma Afrika ya irathiro Rebecca Miano guku akiuga thirikari ni igite kehari-ini mbeca cia kuigana cia guteithiriria kugura irio kuri aria makugumirwo ni ngaragu.
This committee, together with my ministry and the National Drought Management Committee, is also tasked to come up with long-term measures for drought resilience. We know this is not the last drought in life. We will in future have droughts, but we would want to come up with long-term measures and sustainable resilient measures so that in future we can have water and we can have enough food despite even having a drought.
Handu-ini hake governor wa Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro ni augite ni akiraniire wiguano na gikundi kia World Vision uria ukotithia gikundi kiu kwenja ithima cia mai kuria kumu muno kaunti-ini iyo na guteithiriria muingi wa mwena ucio na mai ma kunywa ona ma kurima. Hindi ya igongona riu uteithio wa irio cia makiria ma ciringi milioni 51 ni uraheanirwo kuri aikari a mwena wa Bamba. Kwa ihinda bururi ukoretwo gumirwo ni wagi wa mbura undu uria ucungiriire andu aingi makiria kuma rugongo rwa bururi na icigo imwe mwena wa gicua-ini kugumirwo ni ngaragu guku nacio nyamu cia githaka na mahiu igikua ni wagi wa nyeki ya kuigana. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.